It's really cheap. Shoes are starting from 20 dirhams only and very nice shoes. And trousers 30 dirhams.
Very nice.
Look at that. Everything 2 dirham. All the items. Anything you take, it's 2 dirham.
Assalamualaikum guys.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are at Sharjah Expo Center. There is a night market. Basically, it's a Ramadan market. Ramadan night market, right?
Yes.
So we don't know what's inside. Let's go inside and explore. Okay?
It looks very pretty.
Yep. Okay, this is Ramadan night from 6 March until 30th March.
Yes, written Ramadan under the lights, right? The lights look very pretty.
Alright, we are inside. It's quite big, right?
Yeah. Very big. And there's only one section, I think, right?
Don't know. Let's go and explore. But it seems quite big.
Yeah.
Let's start from this BBZ. It's really cheap. Shoes are starting from 20 dirhams only and very nice shoes. The good one, right? How many shoes you got?
0.
0? Still looking, right?
Yes.
But it's very nice. Okay, we'll find for you. Don't worry. Come. Well, Muhammad bought some t-shirts for him. It's 10 dirham only, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's cheap. Very cheap and very nice t-shirts.
Yes, very nice design.
Let's go that side. Okay, Fila, Puma, all the branded shoes. Do you want to go inside here?
Yes.
Okay, let's go take a look inside. Shoes plus clothes.
Very nice deal.
And it's cheap. Everything is cheap. Splash is also there. Let's see Splash. Starting from 15 dirhams only.
Oh, very cheap.
Jeans and trousers 30 dirhams. Your favorite shop, right?
Yes.
What you want?
Let me see what I want.
Okay, go. LC Waikiki, 5, 10 and 15 dirhams only. Let's go inside here.
Yes.
Look at that. Everything 2 dirham. All the items. Anything you take, it's 2 dirham.
Let's go inside there.
Inside, let's take a look. It's crowded inside. Yeah. It's amazing. To buy anything, 2 dirham only. Okay, this is home style furniture, crockery. Oops, what was that? Your toy? Okay, let's go. Let's explore this area now. This is another hall. We came to the next hall.
Furniture.
It's very busy everywhere. Yeah, furniture,
Look at this.
households. Yep.
Look at this one for 7 dirham. And
It
this
was
one
32 dirhams, now it is 7 dirhams,
And
right?
this was, oh no, sorry,
36.
36. And now,
Now
7 dirham.
7 dirhams.
Very cheap.
Cool. What you got?
Got lot of items.
Lot of items. Chips also?
Yes.
Yummy. It's crowded. Busy everywhere.
Yeah, it's so late and it's so crowded.
Yeah, still crowded. And there is much more to see.
Oh my, it will
This is
even
huge.
empty.
Yeah. There's also kids playing area. A good one, yeah?
Big.
Yeah. Food courts, food stalls. In all the halls you can find the food stalls.
But there's one thing.
What?
They shouldn't play songs in Ramadan.
Yes. What is inside here? Let's check. Entry. This is another outlet. Okay. It's too late. We don't want to go inside, right? I believe we should leave now, right? Because we have it's almost 12 a.m. Correct?
Yeah.
Alright, so I believe that's all for today, guys, and we'll see you in our next vlog. You should visit Sharjah Expo. It's very good, cheap stuff, and you will find everything for Ramadan shopping, right?
Yes. It will only last for I think 30th March, right?
Yeah, until Eid. It is there until Eid. So we'll see you in our next vlog. Until then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, guys.